Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 2 mega boxes of Panini Contenders 2024 football. We're going to see 6 hits. You get 2 relics in each box and an auto. We haven't seen a quarterback auto yet. Hopefully we can get lucky. A lot of packs, sweet cards. I love this product. All right, and there we go. First pack. I'm going to fly through the vet base. Well, looks like that's a red right there. Mike Evans. All right, then we got a Brock Bowers on the rookie relic on the first pack. Worthy. Nothing going on there. First pack did feel pretty thick. All right, we got our auto coming up. Aiden Hutchinson right there on the red. And our auto is going to be Austin Booker. Those are not numbered. Possible relic. Bryce Hall. A variation Ray Davis right there. And then you got a Bo Nix to follow that up on the rookie card. All right, that is a Evan Engram on the bronze. Caleb Williams and the Stallions. All right, the red is DJ Moore. You got 3 relics. You got a bonus JJ McCarthy. Wow. Yeah, we'll take it. Variation. Thanks, Panini. And a quarterback nonetheless. Variation. Let's go. Puka Nacua, Spencer Rattler. All right, we got a BTJ and Xavier Worthy on the red. Not numbered. All right, not a bad first box. Honestly, with 3 relics. Auto in the first pack. Patty Mahomes. Derrick Henry. It is a Tanner Bortolini. All right, not the best autos. Drake May. JD5. Drake May. Bronze right there, Garrett Wilson. JJ McCarthy, rookie. Neighbors. Nico Collins. Wow, bonus auto. Let's go. Kalen Bullock for the Texans. So we got a bonus relic, bonus auto. Let's go. CeeDee Lamb, Donnie Mitchell, Penix, Jordan Travis, Devontae Adams on the bronze. Last pack. Appreciate you watching. Pretty sure we're going to get maybe one more relic here. Kobe Brissett. Yep, and we do. Keon Coleman, followed by a Rattler. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.